I wanted to apologize for not posting for a really long time, and maybe I would not be posting really much nowadays because I am having some medical issues. So I was admitted to the hospital, but because of your lovely blessings, I'm fine now and I can post, but not uh, regularly. So that would take some time. So I apologize for that. And in today's video, we are going to talk about this new Halloween update that you can already see. It looks really nice. In in the last previous video that I posted, I think was about the Halloween update, but it was not released. Actually, this Halloween update was for 14 days, but as I was admitted in the hospital, I could not play it. So it ended up for me in 7 days because I was 7 days into the hospital. Okay, so this is the area, and as you can see, there is a really big shop over here. If we enter it, this is the shop where we can buy the items. You can see it right here. There is a candy currency added. Here also you can buy some candies with Robux, and these are the things. That's the spider grappling hook, ribcage carriage, pumpkin stroller, moon and stars propeller. Yes, star and moon propeller. And these are the new pets that we were all waiting for. This is the Cerberus. I cannot pronounce it correctly. It would be here for Halloween, and after that also it would be Halloween. I don't know where we can find it, but maybe in the shop we could, because it is at the top right now, and it is for 500 Robux if you would like to buy it. There is a Skelly Rex that is actually made using a T-Rex, and that looks pretty cool, but I cannot afford it as I was not playing the game. It is 10,000 candies. The Ghost Bunny is 4,000 candies, and there is a Bat Box which is of 1,000 candy. So on the top right here you can see their Bat Box contains, if you are lucky, one contains a normal bat and one contains a albino bat. Albino bat is a, I think, ultra rare, and the normal bat is a uncommon. So they are pretty cool, but I have those already. I can show you. They are pretty tiny. You can see I have 4 of these. I'm just gonna make neon. I'm working on it right now. So this is the normal bat. It is so cute. This tiny little buddy, and whenever it sleeps, it goes upside down. And this is the albino bat. And now I'm going to show you all the pet accessories that we have in this update. Okay, so first of all we have these bat wings. Wait. As you can see, these are the bat wings. They were already in the game, but they went away for some time, and now they are back. I was having them earlier, but I traded them. So these are the bat wings. They are ultra rare, and there is a witch hat. You can see. Wait. Here it is. It has 2 little ghosts on it. It's so cute. and then you have a broomstick that just goes on the back of your bat, and that's it for the Halloween costume. Okay. So this was for it, and now we are going to talk about the games that are here. There are two games. I think one game is just gonna start in 2 or 3 minutes, I think. So it is going to take 26 minutes. Okay. So here is a Spirit Showdown. Starts in 13 minutes 15 seconds. And here is a Pumpkin Smash that starts in 26 minutes. So as you can see, there are still 2 houses that are locked properly with these things, and means there are total in 3 houses. 2 of them are locked like this one, and that one, and the shop is opened. So I wonder if that would be opened soon or not. Maybe that is a surprise or something. I don't know till now. Okay, so now we will just move ahead to the games. Okay guys, so the Spirit Showdown is starting in just 8 seconds. Okay, so we are gonna play it. 2, 1 and go. It started. So I'm not really sure with this game, but I know that we have to capture some ghost bunnies in this. I don't know why, but I am in a private server, but still my game is showing that too many players are catching the same ghost. But how can that be possible? I am in a private server. See, I cannot see any ghost till now. Something is over there. Just capture them with the help of the gun that we have in our hand. Okay, so there are no more right now. I'm seeing those. So stage 1 is over, and now it is time for the second stage. My god, it just gives us a fear type of things that makes us away from it. This is the ghost. You can just click on it. I don't even know if you can hear me inside that noise. My god, it's falling off. It went away. It is here. I'm not very good at this game. I always be frozen with fear in the game. Oh my god. Okay, so the game is over. And my score is 410, and team score, as you can see, I'm in a private server, so that would be 8410 as I am only in this game, and I got 84 candies. Okay, so right now we have 280 candies. Yes, now I'm gonna inform you when the pumpkin smash comes. This is my favorite game because it is the most easiest. Okay, so I'm gonna inform you when it comes. Guys, the pumpkin smash has started, and here is it. In this game, what you have to do is, like, there are some scary pumpkins over here with faces on them. They're glowing all around the place, and you just have to go ahead and run into those. There are some giant pumpkins that are acting like a trampoline, and you can collect all these pumpkins over here, and it sometimes boosts up your energy. As you can see, mine is 100% till now. And as you collect pumpkins, it increases and decreases according to your speed and everything. And by the way, the pumpkins reappear after you get them. They reappear. As you can see, we have already collected all the pumpkins that were over here, but now we need to do them again. Yeah. Okay, so only 7 seconds are left for the pumpkin smash to be ended, and all. Okay, so it has been over, and we got 140 candies, and our score was 6,000. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. If you liked my video, please go ahead and smash that like button and click on the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And please support my second channel, which is Let's See the World Together. That is my main lifestyle channel. I will link that in the description down below. And thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. And bye bye, I will see you next time. And thanks for your blessings.